Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 of our exponent chapters. Here we discuss some important questions from the grade 8 textbook. So let's start with the first question. By what number should 1 by 2 to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product is minus 5 by 4 to the power minus 1? Okay, so we don't know the number, right? By what number? We don't know the number. So let the number be x. Now, according to question, this x is to be multiplied with 1 by 2 to the power minus 1, and we want the product as minus 5 by 4 to the power minus 1. Okay. Now, we always remember the property that 1 by a to the power minus n can be written as a to the power n. Okay. That means we are writing the reciprocal of 1 by a and then changing the sign of powers. Okay. Now, so x into 1 by 2 to the power minus 1 can be written as 2 by 1 to the power 1 equal to minus 5 by 4 to the power minus 1 can be written as 4 by minus 5, or we can write as minus 4 by 5, because we don't write the minus sign in denominator. Okay, and then it is a plus power. Now, x to the power 2 by 1. Okay, x 2 by 1 to the power 1 can be written as x2 equal to minus 4 by 5. So you can cancel this out. It will be minus 2 here. So the final answer you will get as x equal to minus 2 by 5. So this is your final answer. Okay. Next question. 5 by 3 to the power 2 into 5 by 3 to the power 2. See, if you have a number and the power is anything, suppose the power is m, that means we have a number whose power is m, we have another number and that is the same number a, but this time different power, and we want to multiply this number. So we can see we have the same number as base but different powers, but the sign is multiplication. So what we are going to do, we are going to add the powers. Okay, so if it is suppose 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 8, that means we have the same base, write it here and add the power 2 plus 8. So you will get 3 to the power 10. Okay, same concept I am applying here also. 5 by 3 to the power 2 into 5 by 3 to the power 2. We can see we have the same base. That means we are going to add the power. Why we are going to add the power? Because we have the multiplication sign between them. So when the base are same, powers get added in case of multiplication. 5 by 3 to the power 2 plus 2. That means you can write 5 by 3 to the power 4. Okay. One more concept I am going to describe is that a by b to the power m. This can be written as a to the power m divided by b to the power m. So I can write this 5 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4 means you are multiplying 5 4 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So you will get 625 divided by 3 to the power 4. That means you are multiplying 3 5 times. Sorry, 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 81. So this is your answer. You can change the answer into mixed fraction also. Okay. Next question. 5 by 6 to the power 6 into 5 by 6 to the power minus 4. So we have the same base here. That means we are going to add the powers to 5 by 6 to the power 6 plus minus 4. Always add the power. Now 5 by 6 to the power 6 minus 4, because plus minus will give you minus. Okay. So final answer is 5 by 6 to the power 2, or you can write 25 by 36. Okay. Always remember 3 to the power plus 3 into 3 to the power minus 7 will be written as 3 to the power 3 plus minus 7. So this can be written as 3 to the power 3 plus minus 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 7. So it is 3 to the power minus 4. Or you can write this as 1 by 3 to the power 4. Because a to the power minus n can be written as 1 by a to the power n. Always remember such concept. Okay. So I have explained the example also, and I have explained the questions also. Now, 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 into 2 by 3 to the power minus 2. Again, we have the same base. So it is 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 plus minus 2. So it is 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 minus 2. So it is 2 by 3 to the power minus 5. Okay. That means whenever you have a to the power minus m into a to the power minus n, that means that you are going to a to the power minus m plus minus n. So it will be a to the power minus m minus n. And you can solve this question. Okay? Next. Next question is 5 by 9 to the power minus 2 into 3 by 5 to the power minus 3 into 3 by 5 to the power 0. Okay? So 5 by 9 to the power minus 2. This can be written as 9 by 5 to the power 2. I have told you a by b to the power minus n can be written as b by a to the power n. Example is, suppose it is 3 by 5 to the power minus 7 can be written as 5 by 3 to the power 7. Okay. Now, into 5 by 3 to the power 3 into anything to the power 0 is 1. Okay. So, we can use this concept also. It is 1. So, 9, I have told you that we can write this as a by b to the power n as a to the power n divided by b to the power n. Okay, so we have studied this also. That means this is 9 square by 5 square into 5 cube divided by 3 ka cube. Now, so this is 81 into 125 divided by 25 into 27. You can cancel that 3 times, sorry, 5 times. 5 times and this one 3 times. So final answer will be 15. Okay. And we can do by other method also. If you have the concept of division, how, what happens with the powers in the case of division, we will discuss in the later slide. So again, minus 3 by 5 to the power minus 4 into minus 2 by 5 to the power 2. How can you write this? minus 3 by 5 to the power minus 4. So I can write this as minus 5 by 3 to the power, always keep the minus on the numerator side, okay, to the power 4 into minus 5 by 2 to the power 2. Always remember a by b to the power minus n can be written as minus b by a to the power n. Sign will change, you can see. Okay, and this will become like this. Okay, now minus 5 to the power 4, minus 5 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4 into minus 5 to the power 2 by 2 to the power 2. Okay, see, minus 5 to the power 4 into minus 5 to the power 2. So if the question is this, minus 5 to the power 4 into minus 5 to the power 2. So we can see the same base. When we have the same base, power will get added. So it is minus 5 to the power 6. Okay? Now, and that means what is the minus 5 to the power 6? So it is minus 5 to the power 6 divided by, we can see 3 to the power 4. What is 3 to the power 4? It is 81, and then 2 to the power 2, it is 4. Okay, so we can further write this as, so we can keep this as minus 5 to the power 6 divided by 324. Okay, and we can further solve this also, but we don't need to solve this. We can write this as your answer. Okay, now the next question, minus 1 by 3 in bracket to the power 2 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 1. What happens? Suppose, see, if I have a number a and it is power m, okay, then I have whole to the power n, again whole to the power k. So I can write this as a to the power m into n into k. Okay. Similar concept I am applying here. Minus 1 by 3, this is our a, to the power 2 into minus 2 into minus 1. We can write like this. Okay. So it is minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 4 into minus 1, that is, it is 4. So we get the final answer, minus 1 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4. It is 1 by 81. Now the next question. 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power minus 3, and it is in bracket and divided by 1 by 4 to the power minus. So let us use the BODMAS rule. So 1 by 3 to the power minus 3, this can be written as 3 to the power 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power minus 3 can be written as 2 to the power 3, okay, and divided by 1 by 4 to the minus 3 can be written 4 to the power 3. Now you can solve this in bracket. 23 to the power 3 is 27 minus 2 to the power 3 is 8 divided by 4 to the power 3 is 64. Okay, so it is 19, 27 minus 8, 19 divided by 64. So you have the final answer as 19 divided by 64. 4 by 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 and whole to the power minus 1. Okay, so let us see. 4 by 3 to the power minus 1 can be written as 3 by 4 to the power 1. Okay, minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 can be written as 4 by 1 to the power 1, and you will have whole to the power minus 1. So 3 by 4 minus 4 whole to the power minus 1. So it is 3 by 4 minus 4. Take the LCM 4, 3 minus 16. Okay, whole to the power minus 1. It is minus 13 by 4 to the power minus 1. So we'll write minus 13, sorry, minus 13 by 4 to the power minus 1 can be written as minus 4 by 13, okay, to the power 1, or you can say this is your final answer. 5 by 1 into, 5 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 and whole to the power minus 1. So, and divided by 6 to the power minus 1. 5 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 5 into 3 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3 and whole to the power minus 1 and divided by 6 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 6. Okay. Now, 1 by 5 into 1 by 3 can be written as 1 by 15 and to the power minus 1 divided by 1 by 6. Okay. Now this is 1 by 15 to the power minus 1. So it will be having 15 to the power 1 divided by 1 by 6. Okay. Now we can write this 15 into 6 by 1 and it is your 90. So answer is 90. So what concept I have used here? Always remember it is A by B divided by C by D. So it can be written as A by B into D by C. That means I have written the reciprocal of this and change the division into multiplication. So if it is like 15 divided by 1 by 6, so it is 15 into and 6 by 1. So you can, so it is 15 into 6, it is 90. Okay. So this was all from the today's session. Thank you for attending this session. We will meet soon in part 3 of exponent. Okay. Thank you.